My name is Adam Crawford. I'm the outreach coordinator here in Kittitas County. We're here at Shoemaker Manufacturing, showcasing some of the energy efficiency upgrades that Shoemaker has done over the last couple of years. Some of that includes new lighting. They have a more efficient boiler system. And they've also done a large solar array on top of their roof to help mitigate some of the electrical usage that they've had.
My name is John Hine. I'm the president and owner of Shoemaker Manufacturing Company. We manufacture grills and registers for heating and air conditioning units. And we have 110 employees that manufacture about 11,000 products every single day. So the experience has been really great. I think first and foremost is a lot of the upgrades that we wanted to do, we didn't know how to go about doing it. And PSC guided us through that process. They understood, they figured out what our needs were. They asked us the question about the capacity of the equipment we needed, and then they matched us with energy efficient equipment. In terms of solar, we really didn't know a lot about solar, so the first step was research. PSC was great in helping us to really understand what solar panels work best, as well as what grants were available out there. And so the best part about it is we didn't have to become an expert on any of these new things. We just were able to partner with PSC, which was an expert to help us solve our business needs.
When Shoemaker did the solar install here in the building, it was the second largest solar install in PSC territory, and so it's great that they're using some of the sunshine that we have here in Eastern Washington.
We utilize a lot of electricity and natural gas at Shoemaker. So far we've been able to lower our energy costs by about 65% from the electrical perspective. To us, we want to be stewards of our community, and not only because we wanted to help lower our energy costs, but because it was the right thing to do.